So everybody, this is Speed, and in this video we're gonna take a look at a very special tool we call as the inspector tool. And every web developer must know about it. If the developer isn't aware of the inspector tool, then the developer can't be called as a web developer. And I'm talking about the inspector tool. So what is this inspector tool actually is? Okay, so if I talk about the inspector tool, then I can say then it is a tool provided by the browser. It is embedded in your browser only, and it is very useful for debugging your code. Means you can just directly debug the code, or you can just check whether how the website is actually created, what type of what languages does the browser is using, the website is using. Sorry, means many times, as you can see in front of in the screen, that I have opened one of the website that I have just created, and here what I mean I don't know that what are the elements or what are the styles or what type of scripts are applied on this website. And if I want to know, or I want to make a clone of this website, then a very easy way is just you can just copy the elements of this website and style, and you can just paste it in your HTML file or this CSS file, and you can make exactly the same clone of this website only. Okay. So what I means if I'm talking about the inspector tool, then the inspector tool helps you to edit, means manipulate the data online. Okay, means you can just manipulate the data of this file with whatever the file you have just opened, but you can't just manipulate the data to the server, because the file is original copy of the file is situated on the server, saved on the server, you can say. And if you're manipulating the data on the website, then the data is manipulated for you only. If you refresh or reload the page, it will again going to give you the same data as it was in previously. So now what I want to show you the inspector tool. So as you can see, I have opened this website, means the template that I've just created. So what I can do, I can just right click over here. I can go to the inspect element, means the inspect over here. Or if you are using the Windows, you can just press the Control Shift and I. If you are working on Mac, then you can press the Command Shift and I. Then just go on the inspect element, and you can see that I have the inspector tool right on my browser. So you can see that over here. Okay, wait for a second, guys. Let me just, sorry, not this. Okay, fine. Right. So now what I want to show you that these are the elements that I have used in this browser. I have this container, container, header, sections, text, something, a nav bar, buttons. Means you can see a variety of elements are used over here. So without seeing this HTML file, I can't say that this element consists of this type, of this style, or something like this. And now if I want to manipulate this, so what I can do over here, I can just come over here, means I want to manipulate this research part. So I can just double click over here. I can change it like hello speed, and now you can see that I have successfully manipulated it. I can also change this nav bar from here. So I can just come over here, go here, go inside of this allies, and I can manipulate any of the ally like speed, rock on, or something like this. So you can see that I have successfully manipulated the site. You can see that I have manipulated it. Previously it was home and whatever it is, but now I have manipulated it. And now what I want means now I'm wishing to manipulate the styles of this style, this template. So what I can do over here, I can manipulate the styles. For example, I want to manipulate this you can see the profile over here. So I want to manipulate this profile. So what I can do here, I can come over here, means I can just either you can press the Control Shift and C, or you can just choose from here and you can select any of the elements. So I'm choosing this over here, and you can see that I have successfully chosen this testimonial, whatever this thing is, this the element. And now I can change it, I can just, you can see now I have removed the border radius from this. I can remove the border, I can change the height, I can change this width. You can see if I apply the width, then the width is this, and if I remove the width, then the width of the text, the image of this, like something like this. I remove the padding if I remove like this. So I'm adding the border, I'm adding this also. and I can also means change it. Like you can see that now I have successfully changed it to text over here. You can see that I am changing the text to be aligned or justify like this. I can make it like center. You can see. So let's just talk about this little bit of this. So this is what we call this box model, and we will be learning this later in the session. But as for now, you can just only understand that it will going to give you the exactly the same data which you can see over here. But here what you can see, maybe it will be giving you appropriate data, or means you can see the data in the numbers or by the diagram that this much number of padding is applied on it, and it will be also going to show on your over here. So let me just zoom in, and now I can show you that 5 pixel of padding is applied on it. This is the height and width ratio of this image. This is the border that I have applied over here. This is the margin. I guess no margin. Okay, no margin is applied over here, so it is completely null. I can give it a margin also, means if I want it, I can give it a margin over here. So I can come over here and I can add. Means see, I can just manipulate. You can see that I can just manipulate to means other images also. Mean this is not necessary for me to manipulate this style only. I can just go over here. I can manipulate this and this, something like this. Okay, so you can just go in any of these sections and you can manipulate, start manipulating it. Oh, sorry. Right. So okay, and one more thing, guys, that over the top that you can see over here that I have manipulated this stuff. Means whatever the first previously it was like research on oil industry or home and contact us, I guess, whatever. But if I reload it, then you can see that I get the same output. Mean the whatever the output isn't previously, because the original copy of the file is saved in my drive. So whenever I reload or refresh the page, it will going to bring me back the same and the original copy of the file. It will not going to give me the manipulated data. Okay, I can say that you can use this for hacking purposes also, but I don't want you to use it. I'm showing you for the educational purpose only, so you can just try this and make your friend and colleagues fools. So what I can do over here, I can come over here and in the let's just go in the top of the section, and on the header section I'm only adding over here only. Come over here in the header. Okay, so here I'm adding it right, edit as HTML, and now I can edit like input type password. Okay, so now if I saved it, oh sorry, not this, if I saved it, you can see that I'm having one field over here. Okay, I have to apply the styles also. Let me just align, let me just give some style to it. Style. So I can give it a style like text aligned to the center. Maybe this will work fine. Sorry. Okay, not gonna work for this. Okay, I can increase the size, I guess. Font size to be 50 pixels or something like this. Okay, fine. Now I guess this will be visible to you all. Okay. So, and I'm making text in the center because I want you to see that how the data is going to be manipulated over here. Means for example, if I have written over here like I have written some password over here, something in random text over here, and if you want to make your friend or colleagues like you type your password over here, and I'm going to give you the correct password or whatever password you have just typed over here in a text format, or I mean I'm going to show you exactly the same password what you type over here. So what you can do over here, you can just come over here, you can edit this text to be text. Now you can see that whatever text is just over there, it's get manipulated and you get the text that this is the password whatever the user has typed. So by using this method you can just manipulate the data, or I can say you can use this for phishing purposes, but I don't recommend you to use this. This is only for the educational purpose, and I tell you because later in the session we were going to use and manipulate the data just like this only. So don't make the wrong use of this. Okay, I hope you guys understand the working of the inspector tool, that how you can use and manipulate data. And you can also see that the script or whatever the scripts and something like applied on it. So you can see I'm only applying the one script over here, which is this cdn.this script. I'm fetching the script, and I guess okay, that's all for this. Right. So ending with this only, guys. I hope you guys understand the complete working of the inspector tool. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to it. And sorry for the delay in the video, guys. Actually I was busy. I'm really very busy in these 2 months, so sorry for coming late, but please guys try to cooperate and learn